Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your carrier plan, allows tethering and checking the APN so the network authenticates you. This avoids wasted troubleshooting. Next, make sure your device has enough battery or plug it in, because hotspots drain power fast. Once done, enable the hotspot feature and create a simple SSID plus a secure password. Then reboot the phone or dedicated hotspot to apply settings and clear transient glitches. Now you refine configuration. Pick 4 GHz for better range versus 5 GHz for higher throughput depending on needs, and set channel to auto or a less crowded channel to reduce interference. Make sure DHCP is enabled so devices get IPs, and limit concurrent clients to avoid overload. Once done, enable MAC filtering if needed, and check for system updates or carrier profiles. Updating firmware often resolves stability and compatibility problems. Finish by connecting a single device and verifying it receives an IP, can resolve DNS and loads web pages. This isolates client problems. If issues persist, reset network settings on the phone to clear corrupt configs, and only then perform a factory reset of the hotspot device. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still cannot connect, contact your carrier with APN and IMEI ready. Often they must enable tethering on their side or push a carrier profile to fix access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.